today. Originally it was delivered yesterday, but I actually diverted it to like the FedEx office in the Walgreens. So let's just say, because I mean I know what it is, because it says like vintage FAEN, another vintage FAEN, probably the most heaviest one that I have. And I'm sure you want to see it right now. So let's do this. Yeah, it is. It's an Emerson Electric that I got the other day. $50 was, I think, was a decent price because it was $55. I offered $50 and they took it, but shipping is what killed it. I mean, it was heavy, it was well packed, and it was like $40. So altogether, $90 for a FAEN. But honestly, I don't have a lot of Emersons, so why the heck not? I mean, it looks well built. Has the handle. Oh, this thing is heavy. It's a type 79646-SD. 115 volts, 60 cycles, 9/10 of an amp. Made in the United States of America. Sadly, that's a dying breed. And the cord looks like it was replaced. I mean, with something from a lamp or an extension cord. So why the heck not? So yeah, I'll get this plugged up and we'll give it a go. Alright, we're plugged up, so here we go with speed 3, which might be low. It definitely blows big air, yo! This is probably on low, so speed 2, medium. Whoa! It's like really, it's really windy. It's like, oh my god, we're gonna be blown away. Ah! And it looks like the oscillating thing works, so there we go. Medium with oscillation. I mean, hell, depending on how... I might not even have to use any speed faster than medium. We'll check the spin down time now. Might want to shoot a little oil into that because I didn't like how it was clunking a bit, but not bad. Alright, I got the kilowatt meter up, and I'm honestly not sure why I'm running high voltage. It could also be the fact that, I mean, yeah, they say this was rated at 115 volts, but over time, when people need something to control their phones or their iPads, they need more power, and it's just, maybe that's why things tend to short out faster. Who knows? But let's put it to amps, and we'll turn it on low. Nine-tenths of an amp on low, and running about 60 watts. Medium. .66 watts and 0.93 amps. High. Running a little high, but I'm also contributing to that because I'm running 125 volts in this damn house. Yeah. So yeah, I guess that's going to do it for this video of this late 40s, early 50s Emerson FAEN model 79646SD. Honestly, I mean, it honestly wasn't really needed, but I kind of wanted another Emerson fan. I mean, it just has that style that, I mean, you can't compare. Hell, even on low, it blows as much air as these cheap fans on high. If that. But sadly, this is quality that won't be made anymore. I mean, it's also going to need a little bit of work because it's a little bit dinged up at the motor housing. It's a little dirty. You heard the clunking. Like, need some fiber washers and whatnot. But just minor things. As long as it works, we got that going for us. So, yeah. So, I guess until next time, whatever it is, I'm Eskie. Thanks for watching. And the comment box is open.